Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I'm Natalie and I talk about everything in relation to packing up and starting over life in Canada. Now, I know it's been a while, like a couple of weeks. I had a lot of issues dealing with some good, some not so good. Namely, my camera broke, so my nails needed to be done and I was just so stressed out. Like, we have been on basically a stay-at-home order since November, I'm gonna call it that. And so I had to be going months without getting my nails done, without being able to hang out with friends, without really being able to leave my unit. Like, there was supposedly an outbreak on my building, and so they had to come and do like door-to-door COVID-19 tests, and I felt so violated. Anyways, that's not even the point of my video today. So y'all know I've been working from home since last March, but I recently changed roles and I'm now permanently working from home. So let's say tomorrow the pandemic was just a thing of the past, I would still be working from home, and that was the best thing them could have told me. Like, I love working from home, but I'm also someone who I like to mix and match, and I've been struggling with getting my office space perfect. So I felt inspired and I kind of did a little thing. So without any long bag of talking, watch and see the mess that I've been up to. This is how my office looks at the moment. It's not a very big space, but it's spacious enough. Just showing you a little bit of what's in here. Currently I have a console table, guys. It got banged up when I was moving a few months ago. Got my degrees over here, my whiteboard, bulletin board that I bought recently from Staples that I'm going to turn into my Kanban board for my projects. I have my desk here that I'm so proud to say I assembled it myself last year. It was the very first thing I assembled, and I'm super proud of the job that I did. My desk is very bare and it's intentional. I love to have a lot of empty space. But anyways, it's gonna change because I need a second monitor. So yeah, it's gonna get a little bit tight. And I'm gonna also add a bookcase right here, just as a statement piece. Note briefly, I do not own books, like hard copy books here, so we're starting off with assembling this beautiful bookcase that I got from Amazon. It really wasn't that difficult to assemble. I don't know if it's just false confidence from assembling my desk, but I used a basket and my yoga mat to help me because I think they asked that you have at least one other person assist, but I didn't have that support, so I just had to freestyle it. Wait, do y'all remember this hair? Do you all remember this beautiful rug that I had on my balcony last year? You know my balcony is too tiny this year, so let's just kind of put it in here and see what happens. Today's the 20th of March, it's the first day of spring, and today is the first day that the Ontario government has decided to reopen a little bit of the province, so I'm ready to do road. Okay, I normally start off over this side, to be honest with you, because I also would pick some plants, but I'm going to start over the other side because I want to definitely get some pieces of art. So let's see. Ooh, I see a nice little partition thing right there. Oh my gosh. We'll get there in a minute, people. Let's see. Ooh, this is actually interesting. People, this is actually interesting. This black girl, she has this energy about her. I don't know if I love all that pink, but what's the price for this? Yes, people, may I have to ask price. What? $49.99? Okay, we're gonna take this up in the meanwhile. We are gonna take this up in the meanwhile just because this is a big, beautiful piece of art with a black girl. Guys, the first day of spring was beautiful. Look at this. It was nice and it was bright. I can't wait until summer so I can show you guys all around Mississauga. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, by the way, I turned on this road and I didn't want to turn on this road, so I'm gonna stop it here and I will pick up when I'm at square one. There's a whole line to just get into the mall. A whole line. And this is just one entrance. I hope there's no line to get it. Oh, okay, I was wishful thinking. I was gonna be like, I hope there's no line to get into Bath and Body Works, but of course there is a whole line to get in. And I think the line starts from down here. Let me ask, or maybe not. Oh, so the line is probably over here. Oh, this is probably the line for, hold on. Excuse me, this is the line from Bath and Body Works? Oh, snap. Thank you. So I know I've turned this whole video into like a mini vlog at this point, but anyways, I just wanted to remind you guys that I do have a book on Amazon in both paperback and Kindle options, and I'm just asking you to support. Okay, so because I didn't want the pink to be at the sides, I'm actually changing the color, but all I have right now is marker. So this is what I've been doing, and I'm just gonna continue all the way. It's not anything very fancy, just kind of, you know, applying, just going all the way up, and I'll just continue and continue for all the sides. Ooh, look at that. Ain't nobody can tell me I did not just paint that on. Hold on. I think I have an idea. Wait. In the midst of me trying to do all of this, I realized something. If you notice in my last clip, I had it next to this runner that I have my bistro set on right now, and it was the perfect match. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna change my rug. So I'm gonna order the rug right now. It's gonna take about 4 days to get to me. I don't know why, but I'm gonna get it in 4 days. So we're gonna have a little lag. I can't wait to show you the finished product. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So I'm gonna show you that in 3. Yeah, I thought I put up 4 fingers. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my chaotic roller coaster of a transformation. I don't know, I'm kind of stuck in the middle. Like, I love the vibe that my space had with the tropical look, but then I didn't have the artwork to go with it, and I love art. I mean, I may end up kind of mixing and matching and changing around things now and again, although this rug took me a solid hour to lay down. Like, I don't have the energy for liftings. Like, I was literally lifting everything in here. I was sweating like crazy. So I don't know when I'm going to change anything, but share your thoughts. What do you think? Which look do you prefer? What do you think I could add or remove? And please, don't mind me and this cable management issue. If you noticed my cables not being properly organized, I do have, as you know, 2 screens plus my laptop, so everything's all plug here and there. I'm working on that, but aside from that, what other tips can you share with me? What would you like to see me try? You know, I love to experiment. Share with me in the comment section, and of course, if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is officially Journey to 1000. We've been doing well so far. I'm promising you that I'm going to be more consistent. We're going to be going out on the road. I'm going to be looking at everything that's interesting to me, that makes me curious as a newcomer, what, you know, interests me in a way that maybe before I moved here I wanted to find out. Let me show you life in Canada through the lens of a newcomer. I still am a newcomer, like relatively so at this point. So yeah, share with me here, and of course, do not forget, if you want to, please share with a friend. Nothing wrong with that. Share with a friend. We're here trying to get to 1000. I love you guys for the support and all the positive vibes, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.